mask on. Put your mask on.
Okay, so today I'm not in my makeup room and we're not doing makeup at all. We have, I'll just say weird candy or foreign candy that we're going to try out from stores and stuff that we went to today. First, we're going to try these drinks. They're always asked for Avery's. Mine is dog drool, which is actually orange and lemon, but it's dog drool.
Mine is kitty piddle.
It's pineapple orange.
Oh, it's pineapple orange. I call it kitty piss.
Totally gross soda. That's what it's called.
How I get that all easier?
Tastes weird. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, taste it.
It's alright. It's familiar.
I like yours better.
What is that?
I don't know what this is. This is definitely not orange lemon though. We got these Euro cakes, and mine's cappuccino, and hers is marble. So mine's coffee. I'm okay. She don't like just smushing stuff. Oh, they look pretty good. I'm gonna try yours too.
I can't open it.
This is what they look like.
I can't open
Ooh,
it.
it smells good.
Let's. That hit me in the face. Smells good.
It smells really
It
good.
looks like a Twinkie, but like a circle.
Oh, I didn't get any of the. It's dry. I need one more time. It's dry. Ew, yours is gross. Let's get this matcha cake over with, because I'm not excited
no more
for
cake.
it.
No more cake.
So we got this matcha cake. Oh, it doesn't smell bad neither. That's what it looks like. It doesn't smell bad at all. Come on, Brad. My jaw keeps locking. Come on. I'm scared.
I'm scared too. Like, because I want to put it in my mouth.
That's not that bad. I'm gonna eat it, but it's not that bad. So I don't. If this is in, I don't know which one this
China,
is. It's a different
Chinese.
language, and it's like ice cream. She got chocolate. I got strawberry. My dad said these are good.
Oh my bad.
Oh, this one's. It smells so good. Yeah, I don't like the smell of that one. That smells like shit. This is what they look like. Look at me, just.
This is good.
It is good. I need a whole box of these.
We should have got the big box. Got FYE.
Turn into chocolate.
You must have got Napoleon. This is good.
We got a green Kit Kat. I don't know what this is.
I think it's matcha. Has to be. Or like lime or something.
So, we got
yeah,
a
that's
Kit Kat.
matcha.
Hey. I can't taste anything. You can't taste anything. Oh, the aftertaste. Oh.
Wait, what does it taste like?
It's matcha. And vanilla. This makes me not want to eat Kit Kat. Kit Kat's my favorite. And then we got an orange one, which
That one's
has an
really good.
orange. Has an orange on it, so I'm guessing it's an orange Kit Kat.
Actually, it doesn't taste bad.
It tastes like vanilla. I don't like vanilla anything.
Really?
Yes. You know, there's none of this stuff. I didn't let you get vanilla.
Put it back. Oh my goodness.
Really? It's good?
Oh my goodness. That's good. It's like an orange creamsicle. Or an orange vanilla cup. That would go so good with the orange vanilla cup.
Ooh, yes it would. Oh my god. We're gonna try these Razzle Fizzlers.
So good, I already had them.
Really, I have never had these before. They're peanut free and gluten free. This is about them.
I don't know. Sorry for my. I ain't even.
I want blue raspberry. You know I like blue anything. First it's candy, then it's gum.
Oh, I'm gonna spit that out. I don't know.
Why?
Gum and chocolate things don't go good. Orange pineapple, which is exactly what my soda is. It's probably gonna be so good.
Imagine you put it in your soda. 3, 2, 1. It's a little fizzy. It's not as fizzy as I thought it would be.
Definitely feel this, like the acid in it, like the citric acid.
It's not that fizzy.
I expected it to be like a pop rock.
I like that it turns into gum. It's actually pretty good gum.
When you bite into it, it does fizz. She said, "I'm gonna give me some more."
It's pretty good. It didn't hurt. I gotta pee. Oh my goodness. I can't with you. Whatever those are, those look good.
It looks okay. They're like candy hearts. The name is Caplico or Capico, something like that. Caplico, Lico.
Oh, they're cute. They're cute. They're little ice creams.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They smell good. This is what they look like. And they're resealable.
I think it's supposed to be like chocolate covered strawberries, but I mean they're not bad. But
I couldn't eat them. I couldn't eat them like that. I'm surprised you ate that. Because you don't like creamy stuff. I eat one and
listen,
then
we moving
be
too
done with it.
fast.
No, we
We
not.
moving too fast.
So we got these.
Poo chow.
And one is cola, one's Ramu soda.
I want to try that. I want to
try both.
Yeah.
This is what they look like. I can see the powder in them to make them fizz.
Something pop. It's like a
This is
gusher.
really good.
It's like a gusher.
It's the texture of a haichu. It doesn't fizz too much.
Take me a bit of time. Or they're good.
This is the cola one. It don't look as appealing. It tastes like Coca-Cola. Exactly like Coca-Cola. More like a diet Coca-Cola.
This is like the Haribo Cokes.
Yeah.
But they're good though, so I ain't complaining.
Toxic waste.
I thought it was a slime.
Hazardously sour candy. They're like warheads. I want a blue one.
I'm gonna do
There's green in there too. And pink.
the green. I'll take green. I'll take a green.
This one's blue raspberry. Definitely don't do these. You was about to sabotage yourself doing lemon. Warheads.
My heads are more oval.
1. 2, 3. You make me sweat. Okay, it's cooling off.
That was too strong for me. I couldn't breathe.
That's worse than Warheads.
The green one is worse. Like, the green is so bad. I couldn't.
Siobhan,
Siobhan,
come here. Bring us speak with 2 new colors: stink bug and dirty dishwater. I'll let you pick because I don't want to do none of them. This one can either be stinky socks or tutti frutti.
I'm scared
3,
of my life.
2, 1. I'm not doing it first.
I don't want to put this in
You
my
the one I
freaking mouth.
wanted to do it so bad.
I want the good ones though.
Come on,
I
Shanisa.
can't do this. You know, let me just get myself ready.
Was it? Which one was it?
What was that?
So this is butter popcorn, which I hate. I hate the butter popcorn one. Or it's rotten egg.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I can't swim.
Tastes like eggs. Why would you?
I don't like butter.
It tastes like butter popcorn.
Yes.
Which one do you want to do next?
Toothpaste. I'd rather toothpaste.
Pick one.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So he's doing toothpaste or blueberry, which is one
That's
of my
not
favorites.
even bad though. Toothpaste ain't bad.
No, because we put it in our mouth every day. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I got
Alright,
toothpaste.
Wait.
I have toothpaste.
Yeah, we both got
And
toothpaste.
it's not even that bad. So this one's either strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
Oh.
Ah.
Ew.
Ooh, my jaw. She's somewhere drooling. Your taste buds are slow because you be having it in your mouth for so long. And it creep up. Ew, my breath stink.
I don't know what I ate. It wasn't strawberries. Listen, I'm used to eating sushi, but that's disgusting.
If I get dog food, I never tried dog food. I hate the smell of dog food. I will barf with even looking at dog food. If I get dog food, I'm suing her.
Why me?
Because you the one that said, oh, let me do it. 1, 2, 3. Ah. 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 Ain't no
It tastes like a pill.
Smell my breath. Toasted marshmallow or stink bug? Get it. Why I keep getting so many freaking bad ones?
Actually, it tastes like a freaking honey snap.
What?
That one. I just don't like it.
That was toasted marshmallow. I got stink bug. I got birthday cake.
You must have both got birthday cake. It's
I got
good.
birthday cake. I taste like birthday cake. Peach or barf?
Did you do it?
Ah, that's nasty. Holy crap, that's nasty. Is it peach? That was nasty. It was so nasty.
Oh, Jesus, it was so nasty. Oh my goodness. I couldn't even spit in the thing. Oh my goodness, it was so bad. Oh. Coconut.
I got coconut. Booger jelly bean.
Let me get
Or pear. 3, 2, oh. I almost did it because you.
I should have let you.
Ah, that's boogers.
This is like a jalapeno.
Really? That was boogers. I got boogers. Chocolate. Something good. Come on, reward yourself. This is your pack.
Why I get the half-eaten one?
Mmm. With the tear and everything. I'm never doing that again.
It ain't happening again.
I only got 2 good things out of 10.
I don't even remember. My mind is blank right now.
Thank you guys. That's the video, and I'm gonna go see if my car starts now. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. You cry now.
This game, yeah, top of the God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, yeah, boosting my adrenaline, bit, Percocet.